Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can cancel a return on Asos. To cancel a return on Asos, all you have to do is just make sure to follow the steps and stick with us till the end of this video. So once you're logged in, so for that case you have to log in into your Asos account. So it will be either your application or a website, and once you're logged in, go to your profile from the top right hand side, and then you need to click my account from the drop down menu. As you click on my account, that's going to direct you to the other interface. So after you click on it, here you need to go ahead and select order issue from the top right hand side corner, and here you'll be able to find your recent order. And after that, you need to go ahead and select the particular order that you wish to cancel or that you wish to return. And after that, you need to provide in the information why you've done that, why you're canceling the return, and all sort of details, and go through it, and only then you'll be able to cancel your return on Asos. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.